For do-it-yourself home automation, and this is a look at my Huggies Little Snugglers newborn size diapers. So if you have a baby or you're about to have a baby, then you're probably going to buy a ton of these. The two big brands are Huggies and Pampers, and I like both of them, but I like the fact that the Huggies have a little bit of a softer and more textured interior, and I think that the kind of fastener that holds them in place is a little bit grippier than the ones on the Pampers. So that's why I like this Huggies Little Snugglers brand here. So these are good for a newborn. If you have a really tiny baby, a premature baby, they also make a preemie size, but this is good for a newborn who's term or nearly term and is not overly large. So again, newborn size, good for that. And super absorbent. You've got these little tabs again, so this would hold the diaper in place around your baby, and tabs basically come off of the back here. And open up and then come around the front and hold in on both sides. So this again is nice and snug, just little snugglers. And you've got these kind of whimsical Winnie the Pooh designs on there. Doesn't matter as much for little kids. As they get bigger, they like to see their favorite characters on there. Maybe you just like to see some of your favorite characters too. And then you've got this line that starts off yellow and will turn blue if this has any kind of moisture on it. So it tells you when it's time to change the diaper. Really convenient, really easy to use, and I like this brand a lot.